What's up, everybody? We got our STI motor build back here again. Gonna go ahead and finish the motor up today is the plan. We got a few extra little things done, kind of just off camera. It was nothing important. Got like the rear timing covers on. We got the oil feed lines on that go to your solenoids for the variable cam timing over here, and that's this oil feed line here. Got like our PCV hose on there, got our water crossover on there. That's pretty much it. We're gonna go ahead and get the cam gears on. That goes here and here, and we're gonna go ahead and get our water pump on, get our timing belt ran real quick, and that should be about it. And then we'll get back on here and start working on getting the intake manifold on. The only thing we haven't gotten yet that we forgot about is we do have to get brand new spark plugs. We forgot about those. We'll just have to get those ordered up, and then we got to look for our up pipe gasket, because Subaru typically has a 2-bolt up pipe, but with our aftermarket headers it is a 3-bolt that matches our 3-bolt up pipe here. But then you can't use a factory gasket, so we have to look for our 3-bolt gasket, or I don't know, maybe we'll have to get one of those ordered also. But we're gonna go ahead and get this timing belt ran and get right back to it. All right, we got a little more down on the motor. Got our whole timing belt ran, new timing tensioner, cam gears are on, all new pulleys. Like I said, we went with the Gates Racing belt kit on it. Holds a little extra power, so that's always good. And new water pumps on there. We already rotated the whole motor over with the belt on, make sure our gears are all lined up, everything's looking good. So we're gonna go ahead and slap the front timing covers on, and then we'll start working on the intake. All right, we got a couple more things done. Front timing covers are all on. We just got our harmonic balancer bolted down tight on the front. This is a aftermarket fluid dampener. I highly recommend, for especially a high horsepower build like this with an aftermarket oil pump and everything, to get a fluid dampener. The solid dampeners are known to break oil pump gears, so having the either the ones with rubber or the fluid ones really soaks up vibration and keeps your oil pumps lasting a lot longer. We got our AC compressor bolted on. A lot of hoses ran, stuff for like PCV, just crankcase.
Did I stutter?
Crankcase breathing, coolant lines, stuff like that. We did get our up pipe bolted on with our Blausch Dominator turbo on there. There's our tile wastegate on the back. It is a external wastegated car. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna work on getting the intake manifold bolted on right now. We'll get a lot of these hoses mounted up on it. A lot of these like coolant hoses go in the throttle body, and a lot of vacuum hoses attached to it. Got our air inlet to the turbo on there. It's not tight. We got to put the intake manifold on first, just to make sure everything fits up before we tighten that down. But yeah, we're gonna get the intake manifold bolted on, and then show you it after that, and then we'll see what else we can get done on this today. All right, guys, I think we're gonna pretty much end the video here. Ben had to run off and meet somebody for potentially another vehicle he's gonna get for himself. We did get pretty much everything done we want to today. Turbo's on, our turbo inlet is on, and we got our intake bolted down. Pretty much all the hoses are run properly. Everything's plugged in, fuel lines ran. Pretty much everything we did today, just about ready to drop in. The only thing we're still missing that we'll probably put on before we drop it in is obviously spark plugs still, get the coil packs in, get them plugged in. I think we'll get a couple more hoses. I think we got some like vacuum lines that still need to be ran. We still need to get our rear main seal in. That's really it. Not a whole lot. Like maybe literally 20 minutes of stuff, just finishing up a couple little touches, and this will be ready to drop in. So we'll get back with you in the next episode.